This is the Triton T80Z Fast-Fit Thermostatic Electric Shower. In this tutorial we're going to cover the cable and water entry points. I've just removed the cover. For this tutorial we've just removed the top left, top right and the bottom securing screws for the casing, for the cover. Okay, as you can see in this installation, the cabling and the water is coming in on the left from the rear as you look at it. I'll just move over to the table and we can look at this in detail. Okay, we've now come over to the desk. What we're going to do is look at the entry for the cable and the water. So I'll just tilt this shower up. And as you can see, there's water entry left and right, and also cutouts for cable entry left and right. Turning it on its end, you've got the same here, which is cable and water left and right, and then you've also got an entry point on the left for water and another entry point on the right again for water. That gives you 6 cable entries and 8 water entries into the shower. Okay, if I remove the trim plates, put those to one side, I'll move that neon assembly out of the way. As you can see, you can come in left or right. Normally there is a bung in the right hand side when it leaves the factory. That's the bung. This bung can either be put in left or right depending on which side you want to access the water inlet. Okay, and it just does up, comes to a stop. The other part is the cabling. So we have a cable tray on the left, which is the factory setting. We can move that over to the right like so. We just need a number 2 posi drive screwdriver. We'll remove the screw and then we'll move the whole of the cable tray over to the right hand side. There is a locator situated on the back plate and one on the cable tray. So we'll just move that across, and when that's located like so, you'll see that there's a screw hole now opens up on the right hand side and goes into the back plate. Once that's done up and secured, that would be the cable then going across to the other side. As you can see, this is quite a versatile shower unit. That concludes the tutorial on the Triton T80Z Fast-Fit Thermostatic. If you'd like to know any more information on the Triton T80Z Fast-Fit Thermostatic or any other Triton showers in the range, please go to the Triton website or the YouTube channel for Triton.